Yo guys, what up? So today I was out again on my morning walk and trying something a little bit different. This time I'm playing with the aspect ratio. I changed up the aspect ratio a little bit. First of all, let me show you what my settings were today. I had set my manual color balance. I was using the wide gamut, and again I'm still using the mcine log. I'm really liking this one. I'm able to push my darks pretty low, as you can see here on the top. I'm pretty low on this, but when I bring it back in DaVinci Resolve, I can save a lot of the dark shadows. I'm just trying to avoid, again, this yellow and orange zone. So honestly, I could push up a little bit here on the ISO, and even by about 300. I remember, the more ISO you get, the higher your ISO goes up, the more noise you're going to start to get. So right now we're in the gray, so that's my happy medium zone, so I'll keep it there. And then my settings, again, I'm running at 1/48, 300 ISO. And today I changed my aspect ratio off. I changed it to, let's see, where is it at? Again, all these settings are pretty much the same. And there's my grid that I'm playing with today, the 3x3 grid. De-squeezing view is off because I'm not using anamorphic lens right now. And I was using, you know what, where is it? Oh, I think it's in the camera setting here. Again, today my resolution's at 2560 by 1440, so I think that's like 2K or something. I'm running at 240 mega MBS or whatever MBS. That's the highest I can go on my phone right here. You can go higher on other devices depending on your device. Oh, here it is, cropped to a 185:1. Playing with this aspect ratio today a little bit too. It's just a little bit on the tops, just a little bit on the top and a little bit on the bottom, a little bit of a black bar. I'm using this one because it works well, because I get that little bit of squeeze, and then when I take this into for example, Firework, which is another platform I work for, or I do work on, when I put the video to vertical, you don't see the black line, so it worked out pretty well. And again, I have de-squeezing off because we're not running any anamorphic. Noise reduction is off, sharpness is also off. So happy with the way it came out today. I was just basically again using this grid here to practice some composition and kind of just get some symmetry. So enough of my jibber jabber. I'll let you guys check out some of the shots that I got this morning. And again, I'm going to go into DaVinci Resolve, and I'm pretty much going to do the same color grade using the same system that I used in yesterday's video that I talked about. And I'm going to throw that on here today too. Also, again, I want to give a quick shout out to Mobile Motion. Take a look. He just made a video about do's and don'ts with gimbals, and a couple of those points he made were really valid. One that I actually was very fault of was filming with my gimbal the whole time, like using it for every single shot. Like a year ago, I used to do that all the time, and now recently I've been getting into more like static shots and basically using motivation for movement and trying to keep, work on comping out a shot versus just zipping around with my gimbals and stuff like that. And one other thing he also talks about is using the apps. So many people ask me, oh, what gimbal can I get that connects with this app, or what gimbal can I use? What's the best gimbal that works with Mcpro? Or I'm like, guys, most of these serious apps don't really connect. Filmic Pro does, and if you want to have the gimbal connected to your software, Filmic Pro Smooth 4 is probably about the best one because it works really well. But I run everything manual, and I don't need to have the record button on my gimbal to hit record, because it's just not, just for that little bit of convenience, it's not a big deal. I'm more concerned on having everything in manual, which he also talks about, to get the best image. And a lot of these stock apps that come with these gimbals are really not that great as far as getting high level video. I mean, they're great for beginners, but to get this type of quality of video, guys, you got to have everything in manual mode. ISO, shutter speed, color balance, you got to run manual mode. So get out, try to get away from trying to always want to use these gimbals with these apps, because it is what it is. When I do reviews, I do it because the company wants me to, and then after that I immediately go back to this app or Filmic Pro. I don't use those apps anymore. I just basically do it because they want me to review their little apps and stuff like that. But anyways, enough of my jibber jabber. Keep filming. And this is my little practice again today. Again, I'm just crunching out videos because I'm going with the motivation, I'm going with the vibe, and I might burn out soon, and then I'll stop posting for a little bit. But whatever. For now, I'm into this, and I'm really trying to push my look and see how far I can take my look and this device to get some very cool images. So, Patrick Levar, keep filming. Talk to you in the next one. Peace.